Mbukeli ngaphambi kokuthi siqale isihloko sethu sezinkinga lohlelo lokufaka izicelo zezikhala zezikolo mbukeli eGauteng. Ake sithi dudu kwimndeni elahlekelwe izingane ngomsombuluko engozini yemoto ethwala izingane zesikole eVanderbijl Park esifundazweni eGauteng. Mbukeli sikhala kanye nemndeni yalabantwana sithi alwehlanga lungehlanga. Mbukeli sekujwayelekile ukuthi iviki lokuvula kwezikole libhekane nezinkinga zokuntuleka kwemisebenzi. Ziningi ke mbukeli inkinga zalolu hlelo kanti umthelela wabazali umthelela mbukeli abazali abangakwazi ukuya emsebenzini kanti bebe bafake izicelo ngesikhathi abanye mbukeli abakwenzanga ngesikhathi ingane ezihlala ekhaya zingafundi kodwa bona oza kwabo beqhubeka. Namuhla ke mbukeli sikhuluma ngalolu hlelo nokufanele lukwenziwe ukuthi lusize abafundi bakuleli. Namuhla ke mbukeli sizoke sidingide kabanzi ukuthi silungisa kanjani. Uhleli nobongiwe uMakhumalo wakwazwane mbukeli. Khumbula ke ukuthi ungaba ingxenye yalolu hlelo sishayele ucingo sizwe umbuzo noma umbono wakho. Inombolo zethu 011-714-0677 noma 011-714-0678. Siyatholakala ke mbukeli futhi kumakhasi ethu okuxhumana ku-X @SABC Zindaba, ku-Facebook mbukeli ikhasi lethu SABC Zindaba. Ukuze kubelula ke qala #asikhulume #SABC News bese ke mbukeli ubhala umbuzo noma umbono wakho. Asikhulume. Mbukeli ngaphambi kokuba samukele ihambeli zethu uHendrick Makaneda, an education activist kanye noMatakanye oyi-General Secretary of the National Association of School Governing Bodies. Ake sibuke na umbiko esiuhlanganiselwe intatheli yalolu hlelo uNonhlanhla Mthembu.
Ngenkathi abazali abaningi bebungaza imiphumela yezingane zabo, abanye bebelwela ukuthi izingane zabo zithole izikhala ezikoleni. uMpho Sehlabo ungomunye wabazali abahlale ehhovisi lezemfundo kusukela ngeviki eledlule ngethemba lokuthi ingane yakhe izothola isikhala esikoleni abefake isicelo kuso ngoba kuyisona esiseduzane.
Sitting at home, it's so devastating, and as a child I believe that I should go to school and get education. I'm going to be behind with my studies because now it's late.
It's so frustrating because of it's normal during the working hours. So imagine uzala ustopa izinto zakho because of the injustice yase South Africa. Abantwana abatholi i-base esikolweni. Bheka manje simile abafuna ukuthi singene. You know, it's so frustrating honestly.
Ngwana o dutse ko ntlong ha tsene sekolo West Part ke ngwana moshimane motsegare ha tswile ba ya go diphakeng. I'm starting to be worried gore o etsang ha di PSI di le ko classeng. So ne ke kopa gore ba re thuse bana ba kere dikolo bana ba esikolong.
I-19 namhlanje ngizile lana ema-ofisini ase head office. Baphinde banginika same thing, banginikeza nayi i-address bathi ke nake angihambe back district. District ngiyokwenzani ngoba nabo abangisizi ngalutho. Nangabe ukuthi ke nake mele ngilale lana mele ngilale la ngizolala la for ingane yami ukuthi ihambe nayo yothola i-education.
Enye inkinga ukucwaswa kwezikole ezisemalokishini ngenxa yezinkinga eziningi nokubalwa kuzo amazinga aphansi okuphasa, ukwantuleka kwengqala sizinda efanele kanye nokunye okuningi. Akuzona zonke ke isikole samabanga aphezulu iLufereng Secondary School eSoweto sineminyaka sibungaza abafundi abaphumelela ngamalengiso kumatikuletsheni.
We had 160 learners and 160 we managed to pass 160, so we have 47 distinctions, so basically 47 learners got level 7 with an average of 72.8. Yeah.
I excelled in business studies with 95%. I got 6 distinctions actually.
This year I'm looking forward to studying accountancy at University of Johannesburg, and just this morning I actually received a message from the universities, both of them, which I've been accepted. Register.
Parents were very supportive. When you call parents meeting, they will come. SGB, more than supportive. So we also had support from the district.
Angazi ngasichaza ngithini, but isikole the best school. I can say is the best school. Soweto is the best school la Ilufering. Abothisha balana, they are so active. Principally umuntu like othanda abantu oyimisele nje ngabantwana bakhe uthanda kakhulu abantwana bakhe.
Placement procedures that are ran through ICT, whereas we have 80% of our parents who struggle with computer literacy, let me put it like that. It is challenging. Hence now we are sitting with a lot of learners that are not placed.
Remember, grade 8 learners, they need to be given a space because they are from grade 7. If we don't take them, where do we expect them to go?
Mbogele lo bekumbiko wentatheli yethu uNonhlanhla Umthembu ake samukele ihambeli zethu Hendrik Bakaneta, education activist, as well as ubaba uMatakanye who's the General Secretary of the National School Governing Bodies. Anginamukele nobabili ohlelweni asikhulume Let's Talk. Ngizoqala ngawe Hendrik. It's a very sad time for the department ngaphambi kokuthi singene sikhulume nge-online system. Can we just start by talking about the lives that have been lost in this tragedy in the Vaal?
Bongiwe, as a country, we are going through the most difficult period of our lives. The learners who died, their untimely death affects not only their parents and friends, but all of us as society. And we are really deeply saddened. And the least we can do is to put the families in our prayers, hoping that, as time goes on, they may be able to heal. But of course, what has transpired cannot be wished on anyone. We really are saddened.
Ndate Batakanye, the SGB and ultimately scholar transport is in the spotlight. Li kutla jankan thetsa hetseng ko Vaal.
Bongiwe re matshidiso ho batho ba heso ka moka ho batho ba South Africa ka hore bana ba ha se ba batswadi ba belegile ke bana ba rona as a whole, ke bana ba country ena, ke future ya country ena, ke ba etapele ba ka hosane. So re utlwile botlhoko haholo gore re tlhokofalle ke bokamoso ba rona. Jwale re Dudu re tshedisehang batho ba South Africa, tshedisehang batswadi, tshedisehang sekolo, tshedisehang bakgotsi ba bana le kore na ka jeno ge bana ba bangwe ba lebella desk ya tsore mokhwera wa o dula mo, then ha ke tsore na re kopa hore ba cancelwe bana ba o le sekolo le bana le misue kaofela le di school governing body le batswadi aba cancelwe ka baka la hore sekolo se utlile botlhoko fela ha se sona fela le rona re utlile botlhoko gagolo fela re batla go bitsa setšhaba gore setšhaba re utlwile a ke bona gore modimo re furaletse ke bona gore re ntshitse matlho a rona mo bolong ha re ke re busetse matlho a rona mo bolong re sa tlhola re lebella gore na mang o re tlhokomeletse bana, mang o tla re tlhokomella bana. Ha re emeng ka maoto re itlhokomelle bana, ke ra batswadi, ke ra community, ke ra school community, governing bodies kaofela ha re emeng ka maoto re shebe bana rona ka baka la hore ha ntse re dutse ka tsela e tshwana lena setšhaba se a fela, future ya South Africa e a fela. So re a re emeng ka maoto batswadi le seke la dumela ngwana a tsena mo transporting yeo sa tsebe gore na e roadworthy e drive ya ke mang o kreile dipampiri neng o drive le nako e kana kang ntho tse tshwana le tsena. Then re hape le di school governing body a re ke le etse melao e leng gore e tla dira gore batho ba tshwantse ba re tlhokomele ba tle ko sekolong ba tlo bona dikoloi tse di rwalang bana ba rena ka baka la gore nnete ke gore lena jwale ka batswadi lena jwale ka setšhaba ga le tse gorena he dikoloi di se roadworthy ke dilo di feng tse di tshwanetse di shebe jwalo re tshwanetse re etse policy ya gore in 2 months 3 months then batho bana ba tshwanetse ba tle ko sekolong ba tlo checka dikoloi tse re tse gore dikoloi tse ke tsa bomang batho ba bo malome ba e le goreng ka nnete ga ba ikemiseditse go tlhokomela setšhaba ba ntshiwe mo ditseleng ga ba ntshiwe ka go fela bo malome fela re di-transport tse ka go fela tsona tse di rweleng bana wa bona le ambulance o e bona gore e makilwe wa e kgona wa bona gore ke ambulance le tsele wa di bona gore ke di-stimamollo ka go fela tsona ga di makiwe dikoloi tse tsa go rwala bana re tsebe gore ke dikoloi tsa bana.
And Hendrik, getting into another issue when it comes to the Tabata Skolo, because one of the big issues we're talking about today, the issue ya online application system. Rebone matata kayona, we are hearing from abazali abasitshela ukuthi bona banenkinga ingane isahlele emakhaya, baningi abazali esikhuluma nabo abasitshela kona lokho. Mawuyibhekile nje wena lento uhulumeni azama ukuyenza la, is it working? Noma khona laba fanele babhekelele khona.
Well, there is no doubt that the online application system, particularly in the Gauteng province, has got very serious challenges. The system that is being used by parents to apply, especially for grade 1 and grade 8 learners. This system is not helping our children at all, because as we speak, there are some of the kids who are in the classroom, but at the same time, there are those who are not in class. But of course, you also have those who are in classes, they're in overcrowded classrooms. So I think that there is really a need for government to find a way to look at this system carefully and ask critical questions as to whether we can be able to carry on in this manner. I don't think that we should carry on in this fashion. I think that something must be done drastically. And of course, the issue, of course, boils down to infrastructure. Government needs to find a way to expand the infrastructure that we have in line with the rising number of people who are in the country. Our population has grown over the last 30 years, and it can only be fair that government matches the population by making available resources such as schools, which can be able to accommodate our learners. But equally, provinces such as Gauteng tend to experience an influx, of people. Migration is a reality which must be looked at. Government should be able to make a projection given the previous statistics, so that they can be able to, give these learners a chance to create a future for themselves.
Mbokeli masibuya ey'tolo ngizothanda ukuthi sibheke ukuthi kuba nomthelela muni uma ingane izohlala iviki lonke ingayi esikoleni, kodwa siyabona ukuthi ozakwabo bona baya esikoleni. Manje kwenzakalani kuleyo ngane ezohlala ekhaya, mhlambe iqale unyaka osuhambile noma iqale mhlambe Mbukeli ngenyanga yesibili? Kuba namthelela muni lokhu? Sokhuluma ngalokho Mbukeli masibuya ey'tolo. Mbukeli namhlanje sikhuluma ngeyinselele ebhekele uhlelo lokubhalisa izingane esikoleni, particularly Mbukeli in the province of Gauteng. Sibonile abazali Mbukeli bekhuluma ohlelweni iqala nje bethi bona ingane ayingena isikole, ingane isemakhaya, bona futhi abasakwazi nokuthi baye emsebenzini ngoba abazi ukuthi kwenzakalani einganeni zabo. engakwazi ukuthi zingene esikoleni sisahleli nayo baba Matakanye with the National School Governing Body, also Hendrik Makaneta, education activist. And Tata Matakanye, let me come back to you. As the school governing bodies, where are the problems? Because it seems like every year we find ourselves here.
The problem is Gauteng. Ha e le hore ke tla bua ka Gauteng ke sa bue ka naga ka bophara. Ke hore Gauteng e bonwa e le lefelo le le hore go na le di-opportunity. Jwaneng ha e le hore ke lefelo le le hore go na le di-opportunities. Batswadi lefatshe ka moka ba bona hore ba tlise bana Gauteng. Ke nngwe ya di-challenges re na le tsona. Now, sa bobedi ke hore dikolo tsela tsa ko toropong, di former Model C schools, tse di agilweng e le gore ka nnete di agelwa bana ba le ba makgowa ke dikolo. Jwale batswadi ka moka ba batla gore ba ise bana bao mo dikolong tse tshwana le tseo. Ke ka moo o bona dikolo tseo di tletse ka baka la gore bona ene ntho mo re tshwanetse re tlhokomele bongiwe ke go kgaogantsha online admission le mathata a re tnang le ona. Online admission is not a problem, mara because batho ba frustrated ka baka la go tlhokega ga space, then bare online ke yona bothata. Online ke phetogo e re ka se tshabeleng. Re phela lefatsheng leo le bitswang gore ke 4IR, for industrial revolution. E fitlhile mo South Africa ke yona mafatshe ka moka gale by practice. You are itlile mo gae. So there's no way that we can say, no, we don't want this change. We want it because once bana bale in the system, it's just to press a button. Then you know how many children you have in the system, then you can budget.
But
so are separating these things.
Pardon me, Papa, for go kena ganong. Does the department know, though, given what is currently happening, when how we shebile fela ba tseba hore bana ba ikae ho etsahalang o tshwantse ba ye ko kae?
Ha ba tsebe hona yona because o santsuna le bana ba ba sankiwang. O santsuna le bana ba ba sankiwang ba leng outside. Mara immediately all these children ba accept you into the classes, into schools. Then as much as the kolo dile overcrowded, and because schools, I mean, really and truly, le hona ya no ha utlwa re happy hallelujah ka ba ka di results tse di tswileng kore re tshwantse re leboe baruta bana ba rona gore ka nnete ba o tseba mosebetsi wa bona because really and truly bongiwe, how do you produce bachelors u teacher bana ba 90 children? Sometimes you even end usawatsebele mabitso a bona mara bona bo teacher ne gore then they are able to produce le hantso le jwalo. And ka baka la hore di re overcrowd. That's why o bona ba re dikolo tse they're oversubscribed. Now ho solve problem bongiwe ke gore dikolo ka moka ha tsona then di tshwantse di le quality education. Re ska bona Gauteng e le destination ya opportunity. Anywhere in the country there must be an opportunity, there must be quality education so that a child once aya ko sekolo, then we are sure that that child will be getting a skill, that child will be getting knowledge, that child will be getting values, that child will be getting attitude.
So,
then we must know that all these children are South Africa are equal. But we are really educating an equal society because they still see that those schools there, I mean, like for instance, other provinces can come here and then the township, the poorest, the working class di ya toropong di nana hore na ene ho na le bothata bo boetseng ka system because batho ba location ba apply he ba apply then ba kry sekolo certificate
all right
at that same time go ba re ngwana o latlhetse a tswa Soweto ba rona o latlheile ngwana ona o kry-ile sekolo ko Tembisa mara we have never seen other race ba re ngwana o latlheile o tswa o latlheya ko Santene o latlhetse Soweto. We have never seen that, and we must correct. This must be really corrected. What is really going? But the system has corrected the situation here. Overcrowding. System we must improve it so that until system look.
All right. Ask Hendrik, when we come back, I want us to look at whether or not you agree Uguti. The system Inkinga, a system represents where we are right now. Noma mhlambe i-system yona khona la kufanele ilungiswe khona. I know you're speaking about precious schools. What then do we do going forward? Mbukele siyabuya khona manje unganyakaza. Mbokele ake ngithathe ubaba umbongeni baba sawubona.
Yebo mntu omkhulu.
Ungaqhubeka nje kafushane.
Hayi Makhumalo Nkosi yami siyazwelana na kakhulu nengozi eyenzeke izolo lapha eVanderbijl nabazali nezingane kunye nezikole konke uNkulunkulu engathi Nkosi yami angazobopha ngephandle likamoyengcwele sisonke nje South Africa ngoba kwenzakalela thina sonke. Bese ngithi Nkosi yami nakukho lokhu kokuhlelela izikole Nkosi yami yebo bayahlela abasebenzayo laba kahulumeni kodwa ngathi ngake behlele kabusha noma benza ngalama system ababenza ngawo kodwa behlele kabusha lokhu bakwenze kahle nabazali kungabi kwenzekwe ngabangani ezikhundleni lapha kakhulu akufuneka kwenzeke ngabangani ngoma comrade kufanele kwenzeke umuntu ozoba nothando lalo msebenzi athandize lakhe athanda abantu bakhe nezingane zakhe afune enze njengobaba ekhaya nakuubaba nomama enze njengomama ekhaya lakhe.
Siyabonga kakhulu baba umbongeni umbukelo omkhulu walolu hlelo Free State ubaba umbongeni siyabonga kakhulu. Hendrik, as we wrap, I'm going to come to you because one of the big things is that you've got these high pressure schools that each and every single parent wants, but at the same time you then have a system that's not able to carry. I know you say that there should be more in terms of the institutions that are being built, the schools, but is that an immediate goal that we can look at, or is there something else that we can look at in the immediate in order to be able to alleviate this pressure?
Bongiwe, of course, building of schools should be a long-term goal, which I think government should be able to undertake. But, in order to test whether the system is working or not, we must be able to look at the manner in which learners are placed. One, it is very true that the system is not yielding results because as we speak, there are learners who have got no classrooms. If the system was working, every learner would have been in class on day one of teaching and learning, and they would be learning and not falling behind. And secondly, Bongiwe, there are challenges with the system whereby you find that, even siblings who are in the same school, they are separated by this online application system. Parents have to pay additional fees, for additional scholar transports. You find that the child was in grade R, at school A, and due to the system, the child has now been taken to school B, and whereas the child's siblings are still in school A, and that actually creates frustrations for parents. And we think that government should really find a way to improve. We're not saying that the online application system should be done away with completely, but we are saying that it should be improved in such a way that it can manage some of these difficulties that parents find themselves in. And of course, learning and teaching should be the priority. It cannot be correct that on day one of teaching and learning, some of the kids are still at home and they're not learning.
And what's the impact of that in about 10 seconds, Hendrik?
The impact is negative. Children are falling behind. Remember, there's an annual teaching plan. Already there's work for week 1, there's work for week 2. We are now in week 2 of learning and teaching. And so if a child is not at school, it means they've automatically fallen behind.
Yeah.
They will have to find a ways and means, to catch up. And that will be very strenuous to the child.
And as Ntate Matakane says, a lot needs to be done and we need to have this conversation separately. I'm out of time, but let me thank you both for your time. I appreciate it. And this is a conversation that is still going to be ongoing. Let me thank you both for your time. Mbogele Agasibonge kuihambele zethu Matakane, General Secretary of the National Association of School Governing Bodies, kanye no Hendrik Makaneda, an education activist. Mbogele nakuwe futhi ngokuthi uhlanganyele kanye nathi nehambele zethu. Asikhumbuze ukuthi uma uphuthele uhlelo liyaphinda kusasa ku-SABC 1 ngehora lesithathu, sikhona ku-SABC Plus, sikhona ku-YouTube, sikhona kule High, akuze kube ngokusa aqabe.